guys, here we go. Top 7 answers are on the board. Name a fancy car a stripper might use as her stage name. Frank.
Lamborghini.
Lamborghini.
Wow. I'm going to go with Mercedes.
Mercedes. Pass or play? They're going to play. Hey, Brandy.
Hello.
How you doing?
I'm doing well. How are you?
Good. You folks from Tampa?
We are Tampa, Florida.
Busch Gardens?
Busch Gardens, Adventure Island.
Yeah. Well, that's good. So, Brandy, introduce everybody.
All right, so I have the foundation of our family, my dad, Jim O'Donohue, right here.
Yes, sir.
We have the babies of the family, my twin brothers, Jake and Jared O'Donohue. And then we have U.S. Army Staff Sergeant, my brother, James O'Donohue.
Oh, well, let's do it. Jim, let's go, sir. Name a fancy car a stripper might use as a stage name.
How about Cadillac?
How old is this guy? That's the answer I would have said.
There you go.
Jim, how old are you?
55.
Sit right there, 57. That's right there.
Cadillac.
Here's Cadillac. A stripper named Cadillac. Big old Cadillac. Cadillac. Hey, Jake.
How's it going, Steve?
Pretty bright guy, I understand.
Yep.
You're about to teach your dad or something. Name a fancy car a stripper might use as her stage name.
I have to say Porsche. Of course.
Porsche. Big Jared, nail this one for me, man. Name a fancy car a stripper might use as a stage.
Well, I'm going to go with the expensive one, the Rolls Royce.
Rolls Royce. Protector of our country, our freedom, our liberty, our hero. Name a fancy car a stripper might use as a stage name.
I'm going to say Ferrari, Steve.
Ferrari. Hey, James.
There it is.
Said that with a lot of confidence.
When you know, Steve.
Ain't spending all your time on the base, huh? Got the kid out of the way. I'm going to say Ferrari. Yeah. All right. Let me see. We got 2 strikes now. We got to be careful here because the Holiday family can steal.
I'm going to say Lexus.
Yeah.
Lexus. I'm going to love this one. Cadillac was the good answer. This is after it's been around for a while. This is going to be so good right here. Jim, come on, man, make my day. Name a fancy car a stripper might use as a stage name.
Oh, how about Lincoln? It might be a male strip club. It might be a male strip club.
I like it. Good answer.
Hey, Lincoln, come on out and free us. A stripper named Lincoln. You thought Cadillac was good. What did I tell you? That was his good answer. I couldn't wait to hear this. This guy's 55. He's naming all his favorite cars. We go around again. Duesenberg. Lincoln. All right, Frank, let's go. Name a fancy car a stripper might use as a stage name.
This is not easy, but we're gonna go with a Bentley.
Bentley is a
It's okay,
dude.
it's working with you.
We don't make a lot of money as strippers. Here's Bentley. Bentley. Number 7. Mustang Sally. 6.